Hey guys, so today I will be telling you the benefits of the coconut water for the hair, and also I will be showing you all how I personally use it on my hair. So let's get started. Coconut water is amazing for hair growth because it is incredibly hydrating for the hair. So it keeps your hair conditioned and prevent it from breaking. Plus, it makes your hair more manageable. It is also rich in essential vitamins and minerals that will keep your hair and scalp nourished and healthy. It is also a great source of antioxidants to help prevent and repair the damage and treat dandruff. Plus, the coconut water has the capability to make your hair smoother, control frizz, and prevent dryness. Now you can use this on your hair alone as a rinse, or you can add on some lemon. Now lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, which helps boost collagen production and speeds up hair growth. It is also a good astringent that will help maintain scalp pH and removes grease and dirt from your follicles to keep them healthy. So for me, I decided to add this in as well. And then what I'm going to be doing here is I'm just going to put that in a spray bottle for easy application. Now you can use this as a last rinse if you're washing your hair in the bathroom, but for me, I like marinating my hair in it. So sometimes I use it as a rinse and sometimes I just like to use it this way. So as you guys can see, I'm putting this or spraying this all over my hair and scalp, and I'm making sure that all parts of my scalp and hair is really soaked in the coconut water and lemon. You can actually use this along with the baggy method as well. Instead of using oils, you can actually replace it with coconut water. And actually the combination of the coconut water and the lemon juice is a great remedy for oily scalp and oily hair. Now after that, this is the result of it. I really like how this does not leave my hair any funny smell, even if I left it longer on my hair and scalp. Plus, this has made my hair softer and smoother, and as I've said, you guys, it has hair growth benefits, which is a great addition to it. So this is one of the options of cleansing and hair growth rinses that you guys can do for your hair. Furthermore, not only is it good for your all over hair, but it is also good for your scalp, which is also important to take care of if you are trying to grow a healthy long hair. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all like this video, and also if you live in a tropical country like mine and if you have lots of coconuts in your area, definitely take advantage of it, because not only is it good for your hair and for your skin, but it is great for your all-over health, especially if you take it internally. And also, this is actually one of the rinses that I like to do sometimes if I don't want to do the ACV rinse, because at least with this one, it doesn't have any pungent smell, or it doesn't leave your hair smelling like an apple cider vinegar for days. So this is a perfect alternative. And also, one of the advantages of this is that you can leave this on your hair for a long period of time, and the smell would not even linger on your hair at all. It has a very mild and tame smell to it. The longer you leave it on your hair, the more your hair gets even softer. So that is the thing that I like about it. But that is it, you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and if you found this content valuable, please do share it to a friend, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!